In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update company in Smartsheet. Account details 2026. Keeping your company name accurate in Smartsheet helps with billing, user management, and how your profile appears in shared sheets. I'll walk you through it from start to finish. First, open your web browser and go to smartsheet.com. This works best on a desktop browser that's up to date. When the page loads, sign into your Smartsheet account. Use your usual sign-in method, whether that's email and password or single sign-on, and complete any verification prompts you might see. Once you're in, you'll land on your home page. This is the hub where you can access your recent items, workspaces, and recommendations. Take a look at the left sidebar. This vertical menu is where you'll find navigation like home and browse, as well as your account controls. Scroll or glance to the very bottom of that sidebar and click the profile icon. It may show your photo or the first letter of your name inside a circle. A small menu will appear. Choose Personal Settings. Your profile window will open automatically, usually on the Profile tab. In this view, locate the field labeled Company. Click into that box and edit the text to reflect the correct organization name. If your company has a specific legal or standardized spelling, enter it exactly as required to keep everything consistent across licenses and reports. Double check for typos and capitalization so collaborators see the right information. When you're satisfied, make sure to save. Look for the Save button in the profile window and click it. You should see the field update immediately, and in many cases a quick confirmation appears at the top of the page. If the button is disabled, it often means there's nothing to save or a required field is missing. So review the form and try again. That's the whole process. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Changes in personal settings affect your user profile. Plan level or billing details may be managed elsewhere by an administrator. If you don't see the company field or the personal settings option, your organization's permissions may limit access and the interface can vary slightly depending on your plan and region. Now you know exactly where to go and what to click to update your company information in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and keep your account details current so everything in your workspace stays organized and professional.